Hi guys, good morning, nearly good afternoon. Well, we made it to Mercia yesterday. Coming back from Mercia, this road. So, rain, really heavy rain. Right, so it's not so bad now, but we're going to get some more heavy rain because I've just had a severe warning. Look, see? Even all this floods. So last night, coming through here, all this were actually covered with water. So, and it's quite deepish when it's covered with water. So that's it, look. Runs down into the rice fields. So that's it. Comes running from the fields. And when it rains, wow, all this were covered in water like I said last night. So, that's what we got. We hit this part here and all this road were like a river. So, and then coming home last night, you know, rain, really heavy rain. So, not exactly fantastic, but that's life here in the province. So, like I said, the Canlahan volcano is on severe warning. By the sounds of it, they're actually evacuating. Just heard on the radio, don't understand exactly everything I hear on the radio. Human trafficking. So, bit bad. Human trafficking, yeah. Still goes on in this day and age. Right, so I'm going to have a little walk. I'm going to have a walk to the well. I don't know what that looks like. See, it looks like an owl finch. So that looks like an owl finch. Or a zebra finch, a big zebra finch. There's some lovely birds here actually. So that's what we're going to get. We're actually going to get some rain. A lot of rain. So let me get past this radio, it should be okay. I don't think there's any copyrights on radio, but you never know. Right, so I'm actually going to have a walk to the little mango forest. Looks a little bit dark. If it's a little bit windy, not a lot I can do about it. Actually now, most of the things when you're editing videos now you have to pay for them. Can't reduce sound, can't overlay, have to pay for everything now. So it's just one of them things. It doesn't feel windy, but I've got an idea it's quite windy when I actually come to upload the video. So that's about it. You know, really bad weather here in the Philippines. We've had a typhoon, we actually had 2 typhoons. And why we just get this heavy rain, severe rain, is because the typhoons. And like I said, it's not actually stable. It's not actually stable. So, oh yeah, comments. You know, I keep getting these comments. You know, look, listen, if I go to immigration jail, so what? Does this face look bothered? No, it's not bothered. But to you little men and you little boys, you know, who cares? Right, and one of you managed to make it. What an achievement. One of you managed to make it onto my Facebook. And it was a little pathetic comment. You'll have to face it. Immigration will come looking. Immigration's got my address. Right, they've got my address. All immigration want is their money. Okay, end of story. So, anyway, like I said, it's really windy now, guys. Let me just have a look at the well. It's rising a little. Rising a little. So I actually did expect it to be actually rising quite a lot, but that's what's actually going off today. had a friend contact me the other day. He's off busy somewhere. I think it's about 5 years since I've heard from him, and it's probably about 12 years since I last saw him. You know, so hopefully sooner or later I'll get back to England. But you know, it's up to you if you want to make your little comments. You know, I just don't really care, and I'm the type of person that will cross the bridge when I get to the bridge. And I'm also the type of person that walks the walk and talks the talk. And you know, like I said, in this day and age, you're still going to get little pathetic men, little pathetic boys that have to make the little chat. Anyway, I put a video up, house for sale. So as soon as the house gets sold, and I've reduced the price, right, so I've reduced the price, so hopefully it sells and I can actually get back to England, and I can actually get something done when I get back to England. Will I come back to the Philippines? Maybe, maybe not. The world's a big place. So, you know, I think that's about it, guys. But actually you can see, look, you can see the rice fields have started to flood. You know, and like I said, I've actually just had a severe warning. So I've actually just had a severe warning alert on this phone. So, you know, that's telling us we've got a lot of heavy rain coming, a lot more heavy rain coming. So it is what it is, really. You know, we're going to get a lot of heavy rain. So that's about it. I mean, it's quite nice now. It's quite nice and mild. This gimbal's going mad. So, and it doesn't really look like it's rained much. But all last night, you know, I rode the bike back in the rain last night, really bad. And then this lot, the Provence, nearly came off bike twice, I think. So, you know, can get really bad. So that's about it, heavy rain, and we've got more to come. Didn't really sleep last night because all I could hear is heavy rain. And then this morning, cockerel. Wow, these cockerels are absolutely crazy. They just never stop crowing. Sometimes they'll start 11 o'clock at night. Let me just get down here out of the way. Because there's a tricycle coming. So, they'll start at 11 o'clock at night. And they don't stop while about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the morning. So you don't get no sleep. And you know, you feel like actually going out and wringing the necks. And I'm not joking, because they just never stop. One particular, you know, it just keeps crowing and crowing and crowing. And really crazy, really. Right, I'll have a little walk. Google AdSense. So I haven't sorted my Google AdSense out. Probably going to have to sort it out when I get back to England. Someone asked me, have I got a bank account? Barclays, I think it's Barclays. I've got a Barclays bank account. Sure, it's Barclays. In England. So yes, I've got a bank account. But there's nothing in the bank. I think there's 20 English quid. That's about it. So there's no money in that bank account in England. But I need a bank account, simple as that. Right, look. Just another wagon to come. Right. Oh, there's another four-wheel. There's a four-wheel drive. Right. Who's going to stop? I've seen it, look. This same four-wheel drive is reversing. And that's your four-wheel drive coming, look. So I'm going to stand here and have a little chat. Let this four-wheel drive get past. So, you know, that's about it really. Google AdSense, still haven't sorted it out. I'll have to sort it out when I actually get back to England. So it's as simple as that really. When I get back to England, I'll actually sort it out. can't sort it out here. But, you know, my plan is I'm still going to actually carry on doing my videos. Whether I actually get paid for it or not, I will actually still carry on doing my videos. Right. So I'll actually still carry on, like I said, doing my videos. I might as well upload 2 or 3 videos a week. Otherwise, you know, I'm just not going to get no views. So I thought, whether I get paid for it or not, I'm just going to carry on. So that's the plan. And I love you haters. It's up to you guys. Carry on if you like to carry on. It's your time, not mine. Right, so I'm going to walk back to the house. Like I said, Canlan volcano, she's back. She's back. And people are being moved now. So, you know, there's always something here in the Philippines. So that's it. We're going back to the house. And it's quite humid, but I'll be happy to get back. I will actually be happy to get back to England. Yeah, things are not going to be good when I get back to England, you know, because as soon as I get back to England, I'm basically on the street. So I'll just go from there. Just go from there really and see what happens, but we'll see what happens. So even though I'll be happy to get back to England, things are not going to be fine because I'm just going to be dropped in England, and then it's just a case, you know, nowhere to go. Where do I go? So I'll have to sort that one out. Right. Have a great day. Take care. God bless. And like I said, be nice to get back to England. It's going to be a while before I manage to get back. Simple as that, really. But, you know, like I said, life's life. Right, take care, God bless. So here we are, look. Going back to the house. Right, guys, have a great day. Like I said, I'll probably get some footage if it starts to rain. Thumbs up, take care, God bless. Please like and subscribe. Please share. Please help support in the way of $1.